Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to connect 16x2 LCD with Arduino Mega without using potentiometer.
The components which we will use here is Arduino Mega. If you want, you can use Arduino Uno also.
Second is 16x2 LCD, and make sure that it is not 16x2 I2C module. The next are jumper cables, which will be used for connections, and we are doing our connections on breadboard, so you can prefer to use breadboard. We have preferred. And the last is Arduino the cable which will be used to upload code to Arduino.
So the next is the connections. So you have to do the connections as shown in the circuit diagram.
Refer to this image, you can just take the screenshot right now, or you can just go to the link in the description. There you will find this image. So you have to do the connections according to this image. You can directly connect it, or you can just use breadboard. We have used breadboard here.
First, we will do connections. Now we will use USB cable to upload the code, and for the power supply through laptop to the Arduino.
Now we need to code for Arduino. What you will need is a empty file, new file, and save it using Arduino. I have saved it using Arduino LCD. You can save it with your name you want. Now we need to include a library, which is include liquid crystal.h. Just a second, there's a problem. Okay, so liquid crystal.h. Close it. Then we are not using potentiometer, so we will be setting contrast value using a variable. So contrast equals to 100. Next is we will call liquid crystal library crystal, and we will be making an object of this library. So we are naming that object LCD. So we will be declaring first will be the RS pin, which is 12. Second will be enable, which is 11, and next are the data pins 5, 4, 3 and 2. Okay. Now we need to set up our Arduino. So first is we will analog write for the contrast on pin number 6. So on pin number 6, write value of contrast. Okay. Next is we need to begin the LCD. So LCD dot begin 16,2. This is our setup, and we need to write a code that will run in the loop. So we need to set the cursor first. So LCD dot set cursor, and we will, like, you can set it from 0, 0, but here we are setting it from 2, which is the third column. So set cursor on 2, 0 on the first line, set cursor on third column. Then LCD dot print. So whatever you want to print, I am printing as subscribe us. Next is I am using another line, which is another line of LCD. So LCD dot set cursor on 0, 1. So we are using the second line here and the first column here. And next is LCD dot print 0 mile RACERS. So yeah, this is our code. Now we need to compile it.
So this is our output. This is our LCD connection without using potentiometer. If you have any doubt, you can ask us in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.